Hi, ready to get a little smarter? Do you know what this means?
The first definition of outlook. A person's point of view or general attitude to life. For example, broaden your outlook on life. The second definition of outlook. A view. For example, the pleasant outlook from the lodge window. American pronunciation. Outlook. Outlook. Repeat the word after me. As you repeat the word, keep the definition in mind to train your brain to master it. Outlook. Say. Outlook. Outlook means person's attitude to life. Outlook. Outlook. Practice. Listen to what I say, then pause the video and repeat after me. Train your brain to master this word. Let's begin. The first practice. Their bitterness poisons their attitude and their outlook on life. Now, repeat after me. Their bitterness poisons their attitude and their outlook on life. The second practice. This will help you to have a positive outlook on life. Now, repeat after me. This will help you to have a positive outlook on life.
Good job! Now you're way smarter. Subscribe right now and learn another new word every day.